Hi my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment. Not for your main job to make money.
What do we have in the top slot? Coin flip 2x, very nice. That's a 1. You're welcome, Bingo Plus. Good luck, Timmy. Thank you, Easton Riff. Yeah. You already lost 27k with you? What currency is that? All bets are now closed. Good luck. Dollars? Oh man. Please gamble responsibly. If you're not enjoying your time, the fun stops. You stop, have a break, stop playing for a bit. Cash on with a 2x. And we hit the cash with a 2x, top slot. Let's head on over to cash on, ladies and gentlemen. Our highest multiplier, we have the 500, now we're going to 2 times it. So it's going to be a 1000X, it's going to be our highest multiplier. Is everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. I hope you get it, Pit Boss Man. You look like Locus. Who's Locus? If you shoot the man in the orange suit, you get 1000X. Oh, I almost guessed it. It was top right corner. Let's go back to the wheel. 30 people hit the 1000X. Wow, amazing stuff. 2,865 total winners. Special congratulations to the top 5 winners. All best now, fish best. Don't get all top plate and bonus game songs for newcomers. Everyone in the chat, tell me what you got. Tell me what you got. Anyone get the 1000X? All bets are closed. Good luck.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, everyone, let's go get crazy. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Welcome everyone to the biggest wheel of all time. This has to be big, everyone. There's no other way. This has to be big. Guys, wow. 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 Yes. Okay, everyone. Multiply from the top slot. Everything is multiplied by 7x, everybody. Wow. So, decision time has started. Green, blue, yellow. Pick one color you like the most. One color, okay? And let's hunt down our highest multiplier, literally. Max multiplier 700x. Bow! Let's go! And we got the double on blue, everybody. So that means blue is gonna go again, but everything is multiplied by 2x, everybody. Max multiplier 1,400x. Let's get it all. $175x on green, 280x on blue, 175x on yellow. Yes! Yes, everybody! Congratulations!
So, ladies and gentlemen, a sneaky cash hunt is in. Let's do it. And so, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the cash hunt, to the screen of multipliers. A couple of those 50s, 100X is the max, but let's update that with that 10X top slot. Those are the multipliers I want to see. 1000X is the max, so let's begin with the carousel. And so then, the carousel is up. It's your time to shine, your time to choose. The favorite icon, favorite spot, the best spot that there is. And well, I'm always looking at the same. 3-3, it's a cactus right there. 200, a bunch of those 500s all over the place. Okay, congratulations to all of you, and let's go back to the wheel. Over 1,000 total winnings. KGM, you are topping up. Congratulations to all of you, and let's keep it going now. Lovely 500s. Ooh, a 200. Okay. 200 is lovely as well. Let's see. What else are we gonna add?
And Alexandra. There you go. Nicely done. When did you finish? Like 10-15 minutes. Less than 15, I'm pretty sure. Right. Betting time is over. Come on, bonus. Come on. Bonus. Wakanda. Wakanda forever. 2x on crazy time for the top slot. Wait, hold the phone. Oh, baby. Yes, sir. There you go. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get crazy. All right. Yeah, buddy. We're back, baby, to the crazy time bonus game. Oh, yeah. Well, before we get to have fun, though, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta make a decision, right? As you can see, we got 3 flappers. Well, actually, first of all, we got that 2x from the top slot, don't we? All right. Beautiful graphics test. But yeah, decision time, ladies and gentlemen. You got 3 flappers, green, blue, yellow. Obviously, I'm going for yellow, right? Because my blazer is orange. I know it doesn't really make sense, but I don't really care. I just want to go yellow. Right, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all those doubles. Look at all those shiny segments. Yeah. Max multiplier, we got 200x, everybody. Let me imitate the wheel sound. All right, come on. Yes, sir. We get a 50x green, 200x blue, and a big.
Girl, that's a 4x. Well, 7,991 winner. Insane. Let's spin a wheel then. Love to watch the sunset with you and... Do you cook the muffins then? Muffins our puppy. You have already the whole future figured out for us? What's going on? Alright, what do we have? Number 2, guys. Number 2 this time. You know, this coin flip is kind of annoying me at this point. 5,900 for 88 winners. Right. Place a bet. Here we go. Let's spin a wheel. Why did we not get the rescue flip, though? Does it not happen on a 4x? Only on 2x? The bets are closed. Well, good luck to all of you guys. Okay, we've got 5x in cash hunt. Yes! Yes, Will! Thank you! Sorry for screaming. Just excited. Hey! Welcome to the cash hunt. Let's see. Highest multiplier, 100x. So let's bring it to top slot 5x. Hey, where's it? Okay, here it is. 500x is the highest multiplier, guys. Can we please do our best to get that 500x, okay? Got a lot of pretty symbols, some stars and hats and bunnies and apples and cupcakes and all the other lovely things. And yeah, guys, all you're gonna have to do is choose one of those little nice symbols and shoot it down, okay? Do the bang bang, is the boom boom, the pow pow pow, is whatever you feel like doing. Boom, boom. Wait, what was the song? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend this night together, tonight and forever. Where's the 500X? Come on. Ain't no jokes. Here it is. Almost at the bottom corner. Well, I hope you got it. Congratulations, everybody. And here we are again. Well, we got 8,901 a winner. Let's spin the wheel. The last second. The highest multiplier of the day was 700X and Cash Hunt as well. All right, bets are close. Well, let's do a big spin for you. 3x on 2 from a top slot. Me and a deathbed.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope your fingers are crossed. Hope you're ready to go. Because if that's the case, I wish you good luck. Come on, baby. Stick to the corner, and we're gonna be good. The corner, please. What is you do? Oh, that subtracted some years from my life, but it was all worth it. In the end, we got a 50X. Come on, people. Congratulations. Nicely done. Shout out to 7,072 of you. Daniel, top winner of the round. 4.8 thousand euros. Good job, of course, everyone. Thank you for the game. Let's move right on. Let's see what's gonna happen next. 7X. No. It was close, but no sevens for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, good luck, of course, to you. All right, 7X and cash in. We got one of these earlier today, so it would be kind of cool if we could do it again. So, yikes. Hey, we can do it again, people. We can. That's 2 7X TOPSLOT cash-ins in a day. I call that a success. Okay, so the previous one was 700. Can this one go up to 3.5 thousand? We'll see. 75, that's a good sign. Nah, 100X maximum. Chinko just died. No worries, it's coming back. So, here we go. Ladies and gents, 525, 700, 350, what a board. So, we pull the lever, we hide everything, we shuffle it up. It's going to be up to you to find the best possible multiplier. As I said, right, 700, 500 something, and 350 being the top 3. Which is a pretty solid top 3, if you ask me. Right. So, ladies and gents, there we go. Choose wisely, choose well. The 700, it could be underneath any of the symbols, right? Any one. And all the pick options available. So, those are the 2 things worth keeping in mind. With that said and done, time's now up. So, here's the grand reveal. Look at that. Oh, my days. 700 is right there, by the way. Congratulations, people. Very nicely done. Shoutouts to all of our winners, of which we have 7,488, 21,000, 19,000, 12,000. That's a solid top 3 right there. Congratulations, all of you. Let's keep it moving. Let's see what is coming your way. So that was solid. That was nice. I would even say better than the first one that we got, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, everyone ready? And good luck yet again. Thanks, dude. Nah, don't thank.
5 wins. 5-1 payout. Congratulations to all the winners. 5,295 winners. Charlie, 570 euros. Yoza and others enjoy. Bets are open for the new round. Let's keep going, everybody. Bet on all numbers, bet on all bonus games features are available for your convenience during the betting time. No more bets, thank you. Good luck. 50X on 5 top slot. Ayo, can we make it? 50X on a 5, guys. No way! Ah! Let's go! Team number 5, this is huge. 250X is yours. That's right, baby. We have 5,400.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.